Hey everybody, thank you guys so much for commenting, liking, and subscribing to my videos. I just got a GoPro 10. I can't wait to utilize this in upcoming videos and make some awesome content for you guys. Now let me get you guys started on some updates I've already made to my vehicle. Starting off on my passenger side, I wasn't utilizing the space for anything. I now have it as a shoe space where I can put my shoes and all my hats, gloves, and anything else that I want while on the road. Now I can show you guys how I get in and out of my vehicle this way. I just hop up, take off my shoes, if I have another pair I can put in here, but now I just lay back, get to bed, and when I'm ready to start my day then, just do everything back in reverse. Take out the shoes, put them on, put them on the correct way, and ready to start the day then. The other update that I've done to the vehicle is right behind here. I have put in 2 poles behind my seat, right next to the window blockers. These now go to the back of the car, where, if you guys remember this used to open up where it pulls out sideways. Now it actually folds down. So I can actually now use this as a table. This is just a little thing, so you can unscrew it so it comes out better. And then you can find the right place to make it even. Grab the other one, do the exact same thing with it. It's a little too high, just bring it down a little bit. Find its even spot. And now we have a complete level flat table to cook at. In upcoming videos, I'll show us making food right here and how we prep everything right here. Also on the other side, right here, we have another table. This is just hold in with a nail. This comes down, and now this folds into a table. Underneath our other passenger side, we have a spot where we hold both of these two that are right next to the window blockers. It's the same setup. Find the length that you need it at, let it fold down. Do the same with the other one. And then just adjust it to make it level with the other table. And now you have a large table to set everything out at that you can do all your preparation at. Now a few other updates I'm still making to the vehicle are going to be later. I'll be posting about the cooler. I also going to be extending out the back with like a hauler so I can have more storage, and maybe a roof rack for more storage and other things too. Also, a lot of comments I see, how do we both fit in this? Well, let me show you guys how we both are able to fit in this vehicle. Oh, hey guys, here we are in the SUV. As you can see, we can both fit very comfortably in here and still have our room. Now, depending on how I like to sleep, sometimes I do like to sleep on my back. Other times I'll just rotate on my side, extend my arm over here where I have another pillow, and I'll sleep this way. Really depends on how I'm feeling. And if you do want a little bit more room, you can orientate yourself in different directions, which will give you a little bit more breathing area, just like this. And I can lay this way and stretch out a little bit more. So it depends on the way that you want to do it. Also, I saw out there, a lot of you guys were commenting, where do I store my clothes? So right next to my side door, I have this little suitcase bag where I can store all my clothing and any other quick little things I need to get to fast. And stay tuned guys, as I'm going to be breaking down the dishwasher, trash can, and everything else I have in this vehicle. So I'll see you guys in the next one.